Hello everyone. Recently, 2025 Global Hunger Index report has been released. It has been titled as 20 years of tracking the progress, time to recommit to zero hunger. Do let me know in the comment section what is the SDG goal number of zero hunger. This report is released by three organizations working together. The first one is the Irish humanitarian organization known as the Concern Wildlife. The second one is the German aid agency, which is Welt Hunger Life. And the third organization is Institute of International Law and Peace and Armed Conflicts. India has been ranked 1 or 2 among 123 countries with GHI score of 25.08. It is very unfortunate that there is little reduction in hunger globally from 2016 and we would not be able to reach our goal of 2030. Now, what are the factors? The first one is the global conflicts. Second, the climate change and the environmental shocks, which are costing a more of economy. And the third one is the inflation and the currency deprivation. And the fourth one is the income inequality. GHI, Global Hunger Index, is actually done on three levels: global, national, and regional levels. It is calculated on the scale of 0 to 100. The parameters which it considers is the undernourishment, which has 1/3 weightage. Child stunting and child wasting have 1/6 each as weightage, and also child mortality is 1/3. All these parameters are for the children aged below 5 or 5. Now, what is the scale? The best scenario is the low, moderate, serious, alarming, and extremely alarming. According to India's score, we are at the stage of seriousness. Thank you.